Toad. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go here.
Let me put you over.
Yeah, put you in. Easier.
Okay. Here you go. Okay, it's time to go.
If you blow at it, it makes it go.
Okay. I think we should let him go. Cooper, we should let him go.
Yep. Okay.
Let's put it over there.
Okay.
Okay, all right, Tom. You can go. Go ahead.
Let's just leave it there.
Okay, bye. Now it's showing the video. And there might be new videos tomorrow. Togo's Summer School Part 10, Season 2, and that's that Tuesday, Season 3 of Togo's Summer School. Preschool. It's preschool, right?
Yeah.
We accidentally mix up.
Yeah.
And now showing the video, and bye.
Hey, stay tuned for next summer. Togo's the Summer School Season 5.
There will be what Togo's preschool.
And guess what? Soon we're gonna go to the past and make another video from the past. Like, we're probably going to make Iggy yells at Marker Man again. Then we're gonna go to the future. Toad goes to summer school. Part 10, Season 10. So we're gonna go in the future.
You know what's on the video?
Who's the Toad?